Are you behind on your bills and wondering how to make $100 in a day? Then this video is for you. For years, I struggled with debt, and paying rent or buying groceries was a painful experience, and I felt every single day. Luckily, as I was searching through the internet, I came across 10 ways on how to make $100 fast. Welcome to Finance House, where money is talking and people are listening. If you have not subscribed yet, then you might be losing the opportunity to become future billionaire. So make sure you subscribe the channel for future updates. Number 1. Make $100 on Turo. If you want to make more than $100, then you should check out Turo. I look at Turo as the Airbnb for cars. If you had an extra room and listed it on Airbnb to make extra money, as we will discuss later in this video, you can also rent your car on Turo and make even more money. Turo is a peer-to-peer car sharing marketplace that allows you to rent your car and earn extra income. It takes less than 10 minutes to list the car, and they pay via direct deposit within 5 days. Getaround is another great alternative to Turo that you can use to make money on the side. Number 2. Get paid to deliver food. If you have a few hours to spare, you can deliver food to people in your area and earn $100 or more per day. Companies like DoorDash and Uber Eats have made it so easy for people to eat restaurant meals away from restaurants, and they are always looking for delivery guys to add to their teams. For most people, there is a convenience that comes with having restaurant food delivered to their doorsteps. DoorDash and Uber Eats have found a way to bridge that gap, and you will get paid if you take on these types of tasks. Number 3. Airbnb. Got an extra room in your house or apartment, and are looking for ways to make $100 a day? You can rent it out for a few days at Airbnb and make extra cash. Yes, Airbnb has made it possible for people to rent spaces in their towns, cities, or even outside their countries. In many areas, $100 per night is an easy rate to charge. As an Airbnb host, you can create a listing of the space you want to rent, and be sure to indicate pricing, rules that guests can adhere to, and any other important information. Once you finish all that, you wait for the guests to contact you. They come, stay at your place, then pay you the amount agreed upon. It's that simple. Isn't it? Number 4. Make $100 a day with Uber. Do you own a car and want to learn how to make $100 fast? You can join Uber or Lyft to drive people around and make quick money doing what you love on your own schedule. The approval process takes 48 hours max. Uber pays $24 per hour on average, which means that if you work 4 hours in a given day, you can walk away with $100 and no questions asked. If you choose Lyft, you'll stand a chance of earning a $300 bonus after your first 100 rides, and this is in addition to their hourly rate. Number 5. Sell photo online. If you are talented and can take beautiful pictures, you can earn free money by becoming a photographer. We have amazing stock photo websites like iStock, and they will sell photos on your behalf and send you checks every single month. There are some amazing best stock photo sites available like Shutterstock, Big Stock, Dreamstime, Getty Images, and many more. Number 6. Become a teacher or tutor. No, you don't have to go back to college to get a teaching certificate. And you don't even have to teach academic topics. You can teach at a local after-school club or community center. You can teach or tutor anything from macrame to chess. Teaching English and other academic subjects is fine too. And if language is your thing, you can sign up with kids. As long as you have a computer with the right specifications, a headset, and a great command of the English language, you'll be eligible to apply. You could easily make $100 a day from the comfort of your home. You can also develop online courses and sell them online. Number 7. Get paid to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars is a cool website to make some cash with surveys. Plus, you can also make money by watching movie previews, TV shows, celebrity videos, the latest news, and many other videos. And you'll get a $5 bonus just for signing up. But you might be thinking how does it work? That's easy. Simply head to inboxdollars.com and log in to see the list of videos available for you to watch. You'll watch videos on your phone or laptop. Inbox Dollars then rewards you for watching them with your choice of free cash or gift cards for popular brands. You need to watch all of the shows in a specific playlist, so be prepared and get the popcorn ready. You can check out how long the playlist runs before you start watching, and playlists range from a few minutes to about a half hour. Number 8. Get paid to walk. We all know we need to stay active to keep fit. And you are probably trying to get to your 10,000 steps a day every day. How about getting paid for that? Yes, you can. Sweatcoin will pay you for every step you take. This app helps me be even more motivated to stay fit, take the stairs an extra time a day, and walk more. So make sure you check out this app. Number 9. Pet sitting. If you love animals, pet sitting is a great way to make extra money. Pet sitting is extremely flexible because you decide when to do it, and you can fit it around your own schedule. It's easy to do even if you work full-time, as you can spend time during the weekend looking after our little friends. Rover is the perfect place to start. It offers different services to pet owners and, once you have registered with them, you will be able to decide which one you want to offer to your potential clients, like dog walking, doggy daycare, house sitting, dog boarding, etc. Number 10. Freelancing. If you have some skills, you could put them to good use and do extra freelance work from home. But how can you find a freelance opportunity? There are plenty of websites that will help you to find a side job to work part-time from home. You can work for a few hours a day as a proofreader, virtual assistant, bookkeeper, writer, social media manager, tutor, transcriptionist. The options are infinite, and you could be making up to $100 an hour. The best way to find freelancing gigs is to register to these great websites like Flexjobs, workremotely.com, remote.com, and many more. As you have seen, it is possible to make $100 a day. Reaching that number is not so difficult if you know the best ideas to run with. As I mentioned, 1 or 2 ideas will get you money fast, but combining a few of them will help you to make more money in the long run. And I'm confident that the ideas I shared today will help you make money from home moving forward. And if I'm missing something, then throw your thoughts in comment section. And if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.